Yay. Yay. Free stuff! Hey guys, it's me Reiza and I'm back with another video. What's good? Welcome to the channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my first ever PR package. Yeah! High five, self. And I'm also going to do some lipstick swatches from the lipstick that I got from my PR box. So I got the package a few days ago, and the reason why this is really exciting for me is because it's just not about getting free stuff. For me, it's like, I don't know, it's like a milestone or a stepping stone. Okay, ang drama na ha. I'll stop now and let's get into the video. But before anything else, I just want to say thank you so much to Lluci Cosmetics for sending over the items. And I will also link their Instagram, Facebook, and their website down in the description box. So check them out if you want. So, here is the box. I don't know if it's focusing. Wait. Okay. So, Lluci Cosmetics mainly sell matte lipsticks, but they also have skincare and they also have brushes. I actually got really shocked and got super excited when the package came because it came in a box. Ang babaw ko, no? Pero okay lang, ako naman yun. But it felt really great, not just because the stuff were free. Of course, that felt great too, but then I felt like I had achieved something when the package came. Ang babaw ko talaga. Like, it was an achievement for my channel and that my channel was actually doing good. God, I hope so. Fingers crossed. Okay, so I'm really excited to unbox this and I haven't really fully opened this pa. Sinilip ko lang siya just for the sake of seeing what's inside and to take a photo of it to post it on my Instagram before I film. So, it's pretty heavy though, so let's get into it. I swear, promise talaga guys. Why do I keep on blabbing? Okay, dun-dun-dun. Ouch. Okay, I soak. Okay, so this is the inside of the box. It's so cute, it's so artsy. Huh? So aesthetic. So it's super cute and it's my name. Wow, I feel so legit. But anyway, it's my name, Reiza. And let's read the letter. So, dearest Reiza, we would like to present to you our full line of liquid lipsticks. Currently, we have 5 shades, but anytime soon we'll be adding more shades. Blah, blah, blah. Good luck on your future vlogs. Lluci Cosmetics will be supporting you along the way. Love always, Serene and Lluci team. Aww. Okay, tama na. The lipsticks. So, this is their logo. And the lipsticks come in this super cute bag. So, they sent me 5 lipsticks. And these are melted matte lipsticks. And the packaging is gold and black and gold. And they have 5 shades at the moment, and it's ADOLPH, Alexandra, Lucia, Sophia, and Samantha. So, okay. I'm gonna swatch them on my lips now in that order. So, layers, baby.
Laying in the cut though, easy. Trying to see what up though. Home of the cut though. No.
I break my claws and carve no intervention. Him to my forehead. Now do I have your motherfucking attention? Or are you stone dead? There's courage in this bottle, now it's empty, so I better get a refill. Do you need something from the bar as well? A straight line feels like downhill.
She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81, they'll bring the crushes.
So those are the 5 lipsticks that Lluci Cosmetics sent me, and I love them all. I love their colors. It's really nice, and I love how I can wear them to different things or different events. Plus, they are super lightweight, and I like how even if it's matte, you don't feel that heavy and sticky matte feeling. So, and the best part is it is only 199 pesos. So, it's super affordable, pasok sa budget. So if you guys want to get yourselves your own lipstick, I will put all their links down below, and I will pop their Instagram somewhere here for the last time. Alright. Okay, let us continue the unboxing because there's still some stuff left here. Okay, so they also sent me a notebook. Okay, I can use that in school. Thank you. And what's this? Oh, sorry. Oh, it's a mirror. Thank you. Papers. They sent me papers. I'm just kidding. Oh my god. I regret doing that now. Ang kalat na tuloy. They also sent me hair ties. 2 hair ties, okay? And last, it's a silicone sponge. Oh, these are the ones that I see on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, literally everywhere. I always see this, but I never really owned one. So, thanks. I'm gonna use this as soon as possible. I hope this works wonders. This kind of looks and feels funny though. I'm just kidding, I'm just gonna stop. It even has a cute case. Ow. See, it's so cute. So that is it for my first PR box. Pretty good. I just want to say thank you again to Lluci Cosmetics, and that's about it. Thank you guys again for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You know the drill. Yeah. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. And if you have any video suggestions, just comment them down below as well. I'm always game to hear or listen to what you have to say or what you think. And please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video, and bye-bye.